Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a second to talk about groups versus modes. So the light comes by default set up with 4 modes. It has 2 groups. The default modes are the low, medium, a little brighter, and then the brightest. Those are the modes. The light also supports 2 groups. So you can actually have up to 7 modes per group. There's 4 set up in the default. So the secondary group on this one I set up with just 1 mode, and I set it up to strobe. That way before I go to bed I can switch to the second group, and then if I pick up the light to go find something going bunk in the night in my house, I can just tap it and it'll be on strobe. I don't have to worry about any other modes or anything like that. So to switch from group to group, you take the light and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you'll see the little light blinking, and then 1, 2, and then it switched over to the second group. And like I said, in that group I have strobe set up as my only mode. So every time I turn it on in that group, it's going to be on a strobe. And if I want to go back to the other group, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you'll see the light blinking, and then 2 taps, and then it'll confirm, and then I'm back to the default groups. And again, it's a handy way to set up the light for maybe indoor versus, camping, that kind of thing. You can set up a group for indoor. You don't have to change all the programming on your default groups, and you can set up a different group for outdoor camping, that kind of thing. Or like in this situation, I use it at night on my nightstand for walking around the house at night and shining it in people's eyes. Anyway, just thought I'd go over the groups and the modes. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.